Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Learn with Mahra. Today we will study about tafkheem and tarqeq. Tafkheem means heavy sound letters and tarqeq means light sound letters. The definition of tafkheem: it is the thickness, fullness which fills the mouth with the pronunciation of certain letters. These letters are heavy: kha, sad, ghad, ghain, ta, qaf, and za. The heavy letters are known the letters of tafkheem because we make the tongue thick in their pronunciation. Remember them to easily: khussa, swaqtin, qiz. There are three letters in the Arabic alphabets which will be read sometimes with full mouth heavy or sometimes with empty mouth light, with few conditions which we will learn later inshallah. These letters are Alif, Lam and Ra. The definition of tarqeq: it is the thinness, flatness found in the mouth while pronouncing some letters. These letters are light means tarqeq letters: ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, dal, zal, za, sin, shin, ain, fa, kaf, mim, noon, waw, ha, hamza and ya. I hope you understand about the tafkheem letters and tarqeq letters. I will see you in the next video inshallah. Take care yourself. Have a good time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.